Black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, that black yo magic, magic, black yo magic, that black yo magic. Princess.
Welcome back to another video. Today's video is gonna be a hair tutorial, and the wig that I'll be showing you guys today is from UNice Hair. You guys already know UNice. We work with UNice all the time, duh. The wig that I'll be showing you guys today is a 360 lace front body wave wig. It's 26 inch, 180% density. Okay, this wig does come pre-plucked with slight baby hairs, which I love. Do offer other densities like 150. It's either 150 or 180, and their longest length is 24, but they sent me a 26. So I guess I'm special, whatever cut. You're probably gonna have to request it if you want a 26, but 24 is still pretty long for me. Give or take, 24 would be fine. Let's go ahead and get into this wig. This is what the box looks like. You guys already know. And inside the box you find, of course, your wig in a plastic bag, a wig cap, and an extra wig strap. That's pretty much everything that you would get in the box. Go ahead and get into this wig. Okay, I usually don't do 360 wigs because I feel like I want to get it installed so I could do like a nice ponytail. How do people install 360s? Like glue it on the back of their neck? Like, how do they do that? I'm gonna try it one of these days, just not today. But this is what the wig looks like. I'm not even sure if this is a 13x4 or 13x6, but I will leave it down below once I figure out. But yeah, this is the wig. Like I said, it's a 360. It's no parting. You can pretty much create whichever parting you want. Middle part, do a ponytail, half up, half down. That's the thing about like 360 laces. You could literally do whatever you want to it. Like, it's no limit because the lace goes around your head. So if you want to create a part right here behind your ears, you could do that. Like, so I really love that. Look at these curls though. Look how pretty, bouncy, and soft. No tangles whatsoever. This hair is really soft, really pretty. One thing that I know about UNice, their quality is amazing, always amazing. Straight, curly, body wave, whatever it is that I get from them is always a bomb. But yeah, this is what the wig looks like. Let me show you guys the inside. This is what the inside looks like. It does come with combs on the inside, and remember, it's also an extra wig strap in the box if you do need extra securage. Like I told you guys, this wig comes slightly pre-plucked. It's pre-plucked with the baby hairs. This wig is really full. I already know it's about to give me so much work today. I'm gonna have to sit here for like 30 minutes curling hair. Y'all know that I hate curly hair. Let me go ahead and cut this lace off, try her on, so we could be back and see how she's looking on my head. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like on. As you guys can see, it already chose its style. It's falling to the side, so it's basically telling me that we're doing a side part today. So I get it. I guess we're doing a side part. But yeah, this is what the wig looks like on. She's really full. The hair is really full and soft and really long, you guys. As you guys can see, the lace goes all around the head. I'm not going to be installing this wig today because I don't know, I just don't feel like it. But I did use some bobby pins. So what I did is I took 2 of them and pinned each side right here. So that's what I usually do when I do my glueless looks and I don't glue it down. I usually just use bobby pins to like pin the sides, and like once I'm done styling and everything, when I'm gonna do my baby hairs, it's gonna lay, the baby hairs is gonna hold the wig together. Like, it's gonna blend, lay, don't worry about it. You already know how I do. I finesse. I got this, okay? I got this. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm ready to go ahead and get the styling this week because it's a lot of work, a lot of hair. We're gonna be at it for a minute. Luckily, you guys won't have to see all of it because I could just chop it down. But I have to sit here for 30 plus minutes curling this whole hair. So let me go ahead and do that for you guys. So yeah, I will see you guys once the look is completed.
Love
final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, this was literally a glueless install, so I literally did not glue this wig down. All I did was use gel on my baby hair. So like I applied it a little bit on here because the lace was lifting, so I applied a lot right here and I made sure that it dried all the way so it could like stick really good. And I also just did my baby hairs and it came out like this. And it looks really good. This hair is literally the best. It's super soft, really shiny. You guys see it. It came out looking really bomb. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys love this look. If you did, comment down below and let me know if you're interested in purchasing this wig. Make sure you guys check out UNice Hair. I will have the link to this wig down below, to their store and everything you guys need to know about this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video.
Hit me with all of that melanin, hocus pocus, baby.